What's up everyone, it's Jay here at the Aimless Cook, and this week we are going to continue our Asian inspired lunchbox series with a look at the Hawaiian plate lunch. Now the Hawaiian plate lunch has been around since the plantation era, and it usually consists of whatever leftover was from the day before packed with some rice. Now since the 50s, plate lunches started to be offered at many diners and restaurants, and many are still doing it today, including places that are popular like Rainbow Drive-In, L&L, and Zippy's. So today's Japanese style bento is going to be inspired by Zippy's, and we have three of the most common and economical proteins that we have here. We have chicken thigh that we're going to teriyaki, as well as spam and hot dog. And then we're going to throw a little takuan on the side, and very, very common that you see it like this. And we are going to do it right now. It's really easy to do on the Aimless Cook. So the first thing I'm going to do here is prep some chicken thighs. Now, usually you can just save yourself a lot of time by getting this boneless, skinless thighs. But right here I have the ones with the leg and the back attached. So I'm just going to quickly take off any of the excess fat, cut off the drumstick, and then I'm going to turn it over here. And as you can see here, I'm just running my knife along the edge of that bone in order to take it out. And once I do that, I'm going to turn the thighs over onto the bottom side and score them so that they have a uniform thickness. From there, I'm just going to put them into a bowl, small bowl, and I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of garlic powder here. And to that, I'm going to add a tablespoon or two of soy sauce, as well as mirin. And I'm just going to mix everything together and let that marinate for at least 1 hour. So in our small bowl here, we're just going to make an easy teriyaki sauce. And to do that, I'm going to combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce with 2 tablespoons of mirin and a tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm going to mix that well and set it aside. Now, if you want to go with more flavor profile to this, you can add some orange zest, ginger, whatever kinds of things that go well with this sweet sort of flavor that we have going on here. So I got a pan here on high heat, and I'm just going to add a couple tablespoons of oil. I'm going to let that heat up, and then when that's ready, I'm going to add the chicken thighs, and I'm going to sear them for a couple of minutes. Now once I get some good color on them, I'm going to turn them over, and then from there I'm going to turn the heat down to medium and cover. I'm going to continue to cook covered for about 5 more minutes until everything is done, and at that time I'm going to take off the cover and add that sauce that we made from the small bowl, and I'm just going to allow that to reduce as we turn the chicken over to coat all of the sides. And then when that is done, I'm just going to remove it from the heat and set it aside. Now after that's done, you're going to have a lot of that teriyaki sauce left over in the pan, so we're going to keep that. So just take that and we're going to pour it back into a small bowl, and we're going to save it for the end of the recipe. Now with the rest, we're just going to simply fry our spam in the pan, and that's pretty easy to do. And then with the hot dogs, I like to do the same thing. Just going to add a 1/4 cup of water to that, let them steam with the cover on, and then give them some color at the end. So that was our recipe for our Hawaiian style bento. I hope you enjoyed it. Take it with you, make it yours, and have fun in the kitchen. Which brings me to my question of the day. What kind of bento do you prefer? Do you like the Hawaiian style, or do you like the Japanese style? Let me know in the comments down below. Be sure to like this video, share with your friends, and most important of all, subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.